Spoken English conversation. Subscribe please.
V1 base form mend. V2 past form mended. V3 past participle mended. V4 present par, mending. V5 SESIES mends. Question 1. What is the base form of the verb mend? Answer. The base form of the verb mend is mend. Question 2. What is the past form of the verb mend? Answer. The past form of the verb mend is mended. Question 3. What is the past participle of the verb mend? Answer. The past participle of the verb mend is mended. Question 4. What is the present participle of the verb mend? Answer. The present participle of the verb mend is mending. Question 5. What is the third person singular SESIs of the verb mend? Answer. The third person singular SESIs of the verb mend is mends.
Verb forms example sentences.
V1 She needs to mend her broken shoelace. V2 Yesterday he mended the torn pages of the book. V3 The mechanic has mended the car's engine. V4 I am mending the fence in the backyard. V5 He always mends his clothes when they have holes.
Subscribe my channel.